Okay, shout out to Ms. Seibel and her students at Perry who discovered this trick on the Library of Congress website. So I'm on the Southern Colonies slide right now just to show you an example of how to use this tool. And I'm going to open up this link for the fifth button. These primary sources can sometimes be hard to read because there's a lot of text and it's hard to understand. And especially if they were written centuries ago, then we might not have meaning for them. So if you view the enlarged image on the Library of Congress website, you see these three selections here. Let's do image with text. So this page has been conveniently translated here for us so that we can see what is printed on this page because it's just hard to read. Now, here's the next step. If you have Google Read and Write downloaded as an extension on your Chrome browser, you're going to click that little puzzle piece button. Now, Google Read and Write is really easy to download as an extension. You just go to the extension store or whatever, the download place, and you see all of these little tools pop up. We are going to highlight all of this text. Whoop, not that, sorry. We're going to highlight the text that we want read aloud to us. So we'll start maybe with just here, and we're going to press the play button. Okay. So that was Google Read and Write reading us this very complex, or could be a complex text from maybe centuries ago. So now I want to show you one more quick tool that you could use. And yes, I am using ChatGPT. And I am using ChatGPT because it can be a very handy tool to simplify text that is difficult to understand. So I am going to also be mindful that ChatGPT and chat robots are biased, can be biased, and are not perfect. So we should use caution when we use them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to highlight this text again, just in the primary source, highlight there. And I'm going to just tell ChatGPT, simplify this primary source. Okay, that's all. And then I'm going to put it in quotations here. Paste that. See what it says. Okay. So it's given me kind of a translation here that might help me understand what is this primary source telling me about the Southern colonies. In this case, it's probably North Carolina specifically. Just thought I would show you that.